Boxing out of the red corner from D-Rock's Boxing Club, Joseph Mali. And the opponent boxing out of the blue corner from Unattack, Ishmael Castillo.
Be sharp. Good job working. Quicker. Come on, quick, slow, quick, snap. Movement. Wait for the Joseph, let's go. Need that jab working. That's it, right there. Come on, quick hand. Quick hand, there you go. Quick. Quick. There we go, come on. In and out. Come on, quick. Come on. Come on, busier. Come on, Joe, busier, breathe, and busier. Back him up.
Come
there
on.
You go. Don't
Come on,
stop.
one.
Double your one up now. Get busy with my one. And up. Stay busy with my one. Come on, create space. Let's go. Be aggressive. Let's go. Come on, you got the score. Get on. Let the man go. There you go. Your one. One combination. Your one. Let him go. You get in there. You gotta let him go. Good. There you go. Body head back. Let's work that again. Get in. Come on, get in. One, two. Gotta let him go, Joseph. One, two. One, two. One long two. One long two. There we go. Back him up. Warm up. There we go. Come on. Who's that gap? There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Work. Pretty strong. Go. Let him go. Set the pace. Come on. Come on, throw that too hard, too. Come on now. Step into it. Two, you got to meet some of that, too. There you go. The ones will set it all up. Come on. Get busier, Joe. That one working. Double it up. Pop. Waiting, Joseph. Work. That's what I'm talking about. Go. Come on, Joseph. You're there, baby. You're there. Hands up. Let him fly. There you go. Hands up. Three. Check. Nice shot. Follow that up. I need you to follow that up. Come on. Body head. 1, 3. 1, 3. 1, 3. 1, 3. 1, 3. Body right now. Work the body. Come on. Work the body. Go. One. Throw your jab. Go. Let him go, Joe. Come on. Go. Win that 10 seconds. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. What are you waiting on? Joe. Come on, just stick and move, Joe. That's it. Good movement. Stick and move, Joe.
Punches.
Come on, circle. Come on, circle. Come on, circle, yeah. Come on.
Got the reach. Let's go.
Come on. Remember that long two's there. Long two down the pipe is there. Let's go. Move, move.
Let that two go.
Move.
There you go. Come on, Joe.
Hey, just touch him, Joe.
Go.
Just touch him, Joe. Touch him, Joe. Touch him, Joe. Breathe. Touch him, Joe. Touch him, Joe. Touch him, Joe. Touch him, Joe. Body, Joe. Touch him. Touch him. Just touch him. Just touch him. Nothing big. Just touch him. Keep touching him, Joe. Come on, move your head. Keep touching him. Come on, keep inside. Touch him. Body. When you get a chance, body. Keep touch him, Joe. Touch him. Let's go.
Come on, let it go.
Come on. That's it.
Yeah. There we go. He's tired. Go.
Up the middle. Up the middle. Split the guard. Split the rope. Get off that rope. Get off that rope. Get off the rope, Joe. Good.
Good, let's go.
Now touch him. Now you got to touch him. Breathe deep. Touch him.
Jab.
He's tired. Breathe deep
Jab.
and touch him. Just stick him on jab. That's it. Move and jab. Stick and jab. Move. Rotate. Rotate. Move.
Combination.
Good. Now get in there. Touch. Breathe. Breathe. Touch him. Just touch him. 1, 2, 1. Come on.
Go, Joseph. 1, 2.
Yeah, you gotta do it. Touch him, Joe. Touch him, Joe. Touch him, Joe. Touch him, Joe. Let him go, Joe. There you go.
There we
Touch
go.
him, Joe.
There we go.
Good.
Pulling my hair. Ouch.
Want some water? Joe. Well done, you two.
Your winner, and bout number 11 comes out of the red corner from D-Rock Boxing Club, Joseph